Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RIK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you if you are recently updated to the iOS 18 beta are now dealing with an overheating issue. Don't worry, in this video we will walk you through some effective solutions to help you fix the iOS 18 beta heating issue and prevent future overheating problems, so you can continue to enjoy testing the latest iOS features without any device troubles. So guys, if your iPhone is overheating after update the new iOS 18, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is simply close the apps if apps are running on the iPhone background. You can see, not if apps are running, simply close all apps and fix this problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted and restart, your iPhone overheating problem is fixed. Sometimes a simple restart can fix all bugs and glitches. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is update all apps. Tap on the App Store app on your iPhone, tap on profile icon of the top right corner and you can see appears on screen. If app updates are available, update your apps and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is disable location services on iPhone. Tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up to find privacy and security. Tap on location services. Location services toggle, turn it off already. If turn it on, turn off back toggle and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is free up iPhone storage. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If iPhone storage is full, delete some unnecessary items and apps from your iPhone and fix overheating issue. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings. You can see appears on screen. Enter your Face ID, passcode and reset your iPhone settings and fix this problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7, wait for next update. If you are using iOS 18 beta, wait for next update. Apple will fix all battery bugs, overheating issue on iPhone in the next update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.